Check it out. Good. There you go. Excuse you. No jumping up. Thank you. I'm gonna make you do something for it. You'll be a show dog. Ready? You like that ball? Do you like the ball? How'd you like the ball? Okay. All right. Very good. Okay, we'll go by the kids. What beautiful healing on the right-hand side. Just for a ball. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Perfect. That was like an awesome throw. It just like bounced in the house. I still have it. I know. I want to see if we can capture him coming back up. Yeah. Oh, check it out. Good girl. Nice. I just want the ball. I just want the ball. I don't care about the noises. I don't care. Harper, good girl. Nice job. You go check it out? Yeah. Yes, there you go. Nice. Nice. You got it? She got it! I know, now we need a second one of that. Oh, jeez. She almost stole it. She almost stole it. Oh my goodness. She's like, play with me. I want the ball. You steal all my toys. You're stealing all my toys. She's like, no, it's my ball, thanks. You're going to be as annoying as possible, huh? She's going to tell you off, and I'm going to let her. Good, Harper. Yes, very good. Very good.